Hello and welcome to the second video in my Beginner's Guide to Python series. Today I'm going to be going over the arithmetic operators in Python. This allows us to do some maths with our Python code. As boring as that might sound, it is a crucial part of becoming good with Python, and it's pretty easy, so let's get started. Okay, so these are the main operators I'm going to be using. We've got addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and remainder. So the addition is just the standard plus sign. For subtraction, it's the minus sign. For multiplication, it's the star sign. On Mac and Windows, I'm pretty sure it's on 8 on the keyboard. Division is just a slash, and remainder is a percentage sign. Oh, also, I would like to point out the hashtag here is stopping this line of code being executed. It's called a comment. Okay, so I'll do some examples. If we print 4 plus 5, for example. Also, I am on Visual Studio Code, so when I run, it will come up in this terminal here. But if you're using the Python idle, it will work the exact same way. It will just be in the Python shell. Alright, so if I run this, we get here 9, which is 4 plus 5, so that worked exactly how we thought. Let's do it with subtraction. Say 5 minus 1. We'll fill in these other ones as well. So let's do 6 times 4. 8 divided by 2. And for remainder, we'll do 6 remainder 5. Okay, so if we save and run this, there we go, we've got all the answers we expected. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know there wasn't much to go over in this one, however in the next one I'm going to be going over the input function. If you like this video, then feel free to give the video a like and feel free to subscribe to catch any of the videos I do in the future. See you in the next video.